Yo, 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 what up, y'all? It's your boy, Big Stoney, man. Back again today. I'm finna show y'all how to make a 21 Savage beat like his new album. I'm starting off with this loop from the homie Max Shooter, and I went and grabbed a vocal from Splice to add in here. And so we're gonna chop this up a bit right now first before we do the drums so I can get it how I want to, and then we'll throw that, you know what I mean, on there. Let's get into it. I gotta EQ and do some effects on this vocal before we render it. Boom, just a little bit of cuts. Let's throw auto chroma on it, see if we can texture it up a little bit. This new plugin I've been using, auto chroma. It's super fire for making like textures and effects on stuff. Alright, cool. Now we can render that John out. Let's take it down. What was it? I think 2. And then we're gonna up the tempo from 124 to like, let's start at like 136. I always like to start with the clap, just a little, you know. What you think? Should I do the clap or the snare?
You can go both, bro. Fuck it.
That's true. I could go back and forth. Prop is right. You can do both. Why only have one?
Why?
Let's change this 808. I don't like this. It's getting a little crazy. Alright, we just gonna add some hats, man. It's just like a little 2-step, you know, and then we gonna throw some little rolly rollers in there. It's not fast enough, which I just didn't want to go overboard, you know. I was trying to play it safe. Never play it safe is the lesson learned. Still not fast enough. Let's try it. That's it, yeah. Yeah, that's it. All that other shit was too slow. That's it right there. Alright, let's throw some rolls in this John, man. Let's cheat code it up. EFX motions. Don't be mad at me. Be mad at yourself for not having it. Okay. My hi-hats is jumping, doing jumping jacks, you feel me? Let's add some like percussion and all that good stuff in there. I think that's it for I don't want to go overboard and shit, man, you know. I try to stop myself from getting carried away. You gotta just know when the beat is done, you feel me? You could add sounds forever, but when it's done, it's done. By the way, those vocals added in with that sample really set it off. That was really the, you know what I mean? That was like the glue. The glue to the, you know what I mean? The icing to the cake. We're gonna go back to Splice. I'm gonna go to Splice in the video, that's right. And I'm gonna find like a sample sounding thing in the same key for the intro we're gonna do.
I don't depend on you.
No.
Baby, slow. I need you to slow down.
No.
I give you
Yep. Yeah, I think we're gonna use that. I think we're gonna use that. Yes, sir. We got a nice little intro in there. All right. Let's hear it from the top. Hell yeah. That's it, y'all. That is how to make a 21 Savage type beat in the style of his new album. As always, I hope that y'all learned a little something. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. Drop a comment. Let me know what y'all want to see for next time. As always, Big Stoney out.